What's all the car you
He's
got?
like, no.
She don't look nowhere like my mother.
What's all the car you got?
Her mother.
This is more recent?
What's this
Yeah,
one?
that's the most recent one. That's the Saudi Arabia.
Gorgeous.
When I went to Saudi, yeah. That's my tent. That's where I stayed at. See me?
Saudi Arabia?
Look, these are the gloves.
Yeah.
You don't got something between like that.
Give us the mic, give us the mic. Give us the mic.
Yeah, you bring your camera?
This camera don't even work.
Huh?
I need a tape.
You ain't bring a tape.
I bought a tape, but it's broken.
It's broken.
Yeah, just
Y'all got
brand new tape.
They got the same camera. Look, y'all got the same
Mine is better.
I got mine cheaper.
No.
How much you pay for yours? Like $400. It came by pieces. Remember?
But where'd you get it from? What you got?
Stole my
Huh?
wife's money.
Alexander's.
Alexander, look at that fucking last sale. I knew I should have waited around. Alright, Sammy. Listen.
Action.
Listen.
You guys
ready?
screws?
You got screws?
You got any screws?
Screwdriver.
What kind of screwdriver?
Hey, Sam, you got a screwdriver? That's more?
Good.
He does.
No.
Get the fuck out of here. Do you really? You do.
Nah, I don't. What's
Lucho.
wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
Joe,
Let me
you
see.
got a screwdriver?
Millie, those people comfortable back there?
No. They actually feel funny. That's my dust.
Nobody's got a Boy Scout knife? You got a Boy Scout knife?
Dusting in the house.
knife.
Give me the knife.
But that's my cookie knife.
Let me, come on, we need it.
No, check it out.
Let's go.
You need it right now because it's in the back.
We need it because he's going to fix the tape.
Just in the house and it's in the
Billy said, I'm going to clean the house.
That's it. It's done.
How she does it?
Let's go.
Forget it, Millie, forget it.
Listen.
Oh, no, I know it.
Viva,
What's up?
would you like to make a statement?
Oh, I'm trying to get the money situation here together.
Oh, you pay me?
We're talking financial situation. I got your money back here. Working hard there for us.
Do you have a statement?
Yeah. It's going to be some crowded rooms tonight, buddy.
If you have to speak up, I can't hear you.
I said there's going to be some crowded rooms tonight.
I wasn't even listening to him.
Millie,
No trial and jury for you tomorrow. No trial and jury for you. You're guilty as charged.
When he's
Yo.
I think he fell on his head.
Iz, you got a statement, Iz?
Yeah. Gonna have a big fight Monday with my boss. It's gonna be a good one. Because he cannot take the right hand. No one in the world can take the right hand. I'm effective. Get out of the way.
It was in the with the McDonald's.
Yeah, sing.
I'll be yours till the end of time, 'cause you made me feel. Yeah, you made me feel I've nothing to hide. Like a virgin, yeah. Like a virgin, with your heartbeat next to mine. Like a virgin, ooh, like a virgin.
Huh?
What do you got to say? Be honest.
We stranded. We should make a movie out of this.
Playing football,
Running the entire East Coast. Early, like 5
Look at that guy.
You got a statement? Any comments?
Just get a good record.
Any comments?
Well, I would like to say, right? This guy messed up. All 5, 6, 7, 15 guys got to stay together in one room. I just hope somebody don't, in the morning, and I don't know, you know what I'm talking about, in the morning, right next to another guy.
It's 7, so you gonna have 2 on that room, 2, 4,
Any comments?
6.
No.
Guys
Hey,
gonna be on the floor.
wait. Don't say it loud. We don't want the Chinese people to hear.
To those trying to help everyone else cope and survive the blizzard of 93.
Any comments? Excuse me. Any comments?
Nope.
Stuck, that's it, right?
Stuck like Chuck, bub. Blizzard hit hard.
We're gonna get tomorrow morning and play some football.
Any comments?
Possible and getting worse with every
Yeah,
passing
I like
hour.
school, that's all
No
I
matter
can say.
what, you're not transportation.
I got a comment. I don't like the thing, I'm stuck in the thing.
That's a good comment.
Well, we'll just stay on the airplane then.
Closing down all of its routes at 7 o'clock this evening.
I just want a video tape, if you don't mind.
The Schenectady route.
Really lost a couple of toes.
Those two
We're
will
all
stay
right,
open
but we got
until
8
8
others.
o'clock and then shut down at that time.
And it
We're gonna
seems
try
that
to
the way to
reconnect
travel
some
today is by train because Amtrak tells us that nearly
We'll
all
try to
of
reconnect them back
are
up.
running on schedule. As you can
Check
imagine,
it out, we gotta
all
can't
the
show you
local
anymore.
communities are asking
This
for
man over
your
here.
help tonight so they can
Put
get
the fucking camera on me. Don't put it on me.
There are a number of snow
By the way,
emergencies in
you know the
effect in
smell that
Albany.
that camera
Alternate
smells?
side of the street parking will be...
Smell? See that young guy right there? Put the camera on me, I tell you, I don't like that camera on me. I don't like it. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get my
Lucha, what the hell is that all about? No
I'm gonna
parking.
go there and be down there and cripple or something.
like this.
Rotterdam.
He couldn't even put his head up. Put your head up.
And mechanical even side parking until 8 o'clock. And then you have to move your car to the outside of Amsterdam and the people can find any streets tonight. And the needless to say, we're everywhere trying to get your car off the road so the crews can get through.
And obviously the blizzard has caused power outages up and down the east.
Sorry, Ian.
I'm violent. Blanca's nephew was like this, Sandy. Look.
Here so far, no major power outages to report at the moment. Repair crews are all
He was up with his legs sticking up. Did they have him again? They had him again? He went. Again like this. So I don't know how to do this. How about Israel? I'm going up like 34.
I'll take the post.
And he fell down. Anyway, that goes like, give my goddamn pole back. That was Blanca last year. Blanca went.
As he just
That
said,
thing was
9
holding up. It was the first time.
however,
And
which
it took us, you felt it was cracking up. I'm a beef.
and bring them down. And in that case, they will have some problems tonight. And they want you to grab a pen and paper right now because if you lose power tonight, we have some important numbers for you that will put you in touch with your power company.
I said, I got it.
I need more light.
I fought with everything. It wasn't me. It really was you. I'll tell you what it was. No, I got it covered. Let me hear all this.
Channel 26 says, we're not going nowhere because you're on channel 27.
I got it.
And they said, you're not going to tonight.
You know why we came? Wait, I'm going to cover all this. Billy, we had talked earlier yesterday, and was coming up. Right, that's right. She told me, you know when she came home, she said,
Reporting live, I'm Steve Arthur.
you told me that it's going to be all right.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
It should be great.
All right?
Yeah,
that was
but then, my mother left a message on the answer machine how there was emergency calls, how everything was being closed, how we shouldn't go up there. Joe's going, that's not going to be till tomorrow night or Sunday. I even told you. I asked you, he kept flipping back channels because he thought that.
I don't know what's really going on. I don't know about this family, these people here. I was forced here with a gun. That's the guy over there with the gun. See the guy over there in front of me?
Oh, so look, 75 inches. They're dead. They're dead. Let me ask you a truth. You gotta be stuck in your house with a gun up here where we have so much fun. Look at me, I'm thrilling. I'm thrilling.
Almost all flights were canceled, causing
I don't have to take pictures. Don't take my picture. I'm gonna bust your head straight open.
And
I'll
continue.
chop your head. See, I told you couldn't do it.
Don't get out on the roads unless you absolutely have to. Conditions are flat out dangerous, and a number of bridges in our area have been closed on and off throughout the day. For the latest update, let's go live to the Northern Metro Traffic.
Alrighty, we're going to start out by telling you that the Hutchinson River Parkway at this point is closed by Helen Bay Parkway. Westchester Creek, so you can forget about the Hutch for a while. If you normally would take 9W or the Palisades Parkway, you've got a big problem. The Palisades is closed. Everybody on 9W, and of course that is going to cause problems there. We also have a 35-mile-an-hour posted speed limit on the Jersey Turnpike, a trailer down the entire length, as well as a carpool trail. Brunswick and Whitestone Bridges, both of those now cars only. They're not allowing anything but a passenger car to go across those two bridges, and it's very windy there. The Verrazano Bridge, the upper level is...
I want to take you on a tour of this place. As you can see, there's a corridor. There's Juan. How you doing, Juan?
Hi, how you doing?
What do you got to say?
I would like to say we stuck and we
He lost.
By the way, Juan is he's the spokesman of the group.
People died 20 years ago. I don't want to
Get out of here. And I want to bring you down this aisle here. As you can see, here's the exit just in case. Now, you see that window? We can't get out of there. Just want you to know that's all packed. Try that out, Iz. Try it out. Iz, you want to try that out? See?
This is the only option we have. You open this door, it's a tremendous blizzard.
Can you get out?
They locked us in due to we only pay $75 for the whole fucking weekend.
I need
So
something.
we held that.
What do you need?
Now we
You want
go
your
way
camera?
back. No. So what do you got to say? So we're stuck here. It's not real else we can do. I come from London.
You come a long way from London, huh?
Yeah, so I come from London, and
how's the weather?
It's kind of real, warm out there, you know what I mean? And I fucking dude.
Well, you know.
Come on. We'll make them laugh. Come on,
Well, I just want to know what group you were getting back with.
Wait. No, I felt I came out here for a nice trip, and this is what happened. And we got stuck here, and I have a friend of mine, and he
Do you happen to know what Milli Vanilli did this week? I heard they might get mocked together.
I heard they might really sing.
There's a Millie, there's half of it, there's Millie. Where's Manilli? Vanilli.
No, that's
Milli Vanilli.
I'm Nellie and she's Millie.
See?
We're Nellie Manilli.
Oh my God, who's that?
Oh, what's that?
That's Jason, oh shit.
I never made it up.
That's German.
Anyway.
I wanted to think here. This is where we got any
I got these nice boats to go along with it.
Is the man of the hour, and he is up next.
I got these nice to go along. See, it's a match. It's a match. All I gotta do is get a flat down. I'll be all right.
So there's one.
You don't want to walk home with them shit on. New York. Listen, yo, the mother thing you from Star Wars.
That's just a cell in the city. People find
They think you're a stormtrooper.
They'll see those, you know, I gotta get those.
Yeah.
Where you got them from?
Yeah.
Those are the new ones.
Now you doing it when I told you, right?
You put a little rub on the bottom of those, you can sell them for like $150. You buy them in a second.
See, there you go, Janet. You take them home. But don't worry, Mom. I'm going to get rid of them. I'm not making a lot of noise. You only got there sleeping. But...
A little kid trying to shove snow. Okay, you live. You live. You live.
Yo, this homeboy weather report, bro. Yo, let me tell you, we up here in the Catskill region. My name is Big G. I'm trying to tell you about the weather up here. As you can see, it's snowing fucking hard, you know what I'm saying? And I got my man over here. This man is with the meteorologist crew and shit. And he's gonna tell you what's up with the weather. Yo, can you tell us how it's going up there?
We having very big storm, and I think it's coming down real deep and serious. Look at this shit. And this ain't fake, this is for real. My hands are frozen. I got a 30-degree fucking frozen hands on me. Look at this.
But you ain't got nothing to worry, because the cruise is on the level. You can see we got the crew working right here. What's your name, little man? Come on over
Joseph's
here.
working on the snow.
Joseph's gonna be shoveling back from here to New York for us, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Joe, how hard you been working out here? Tell him. See, he's been working hard. You don't even know his name right now, so you gotta let the kid go and back and work at home. You know what I'm saying? Yo, like I said, this Homeboy Network weather report. As you can see, the snow is coming down really big time hard, you know what I'm saying? And if you ain't got the Timberlands, you ain't in the house, you know? Yo, you got that? That's a wrap.
All I wanna do when a boom boom boom, when a boom boom, just shake your butt. All I wanna do when all I wanna do when a zoom zoom zoom, when a boom boom, just shake your butt.
Yeah.
I like them round and big and sucking them in.
Get my leg. Look how deep my leg is.
I like them round and big.
Yo, we stuck, bro.
We stuck, bro. I think you're right, honey.
Buzz your ass.
I like them brown and big and...
What was that sound?
A burp.
Cornelson.
Jesus Christ!
Who's up? I'm up, right? There you go. I always saw that.
Do the roll. All I wanna do with a zoom, zoom, zoom in a boom, boom.
All right, now.
I like the way you comb your hair. I like the stylish clothes you wear. It's just the little things you do that makes me want to share with you. All I want to do,
Yo, you're blocking it with the look.
all I want to do when I zoom, 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 when I boom, boom, just shake your butt. All I want to do when I zoom, 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 when I boom, boom, just shake your butt.
Right, and if you put a 6-5 here, then you get 15. Or if we put a 6 blank, you get a 6 blank, then you get another 10. You take the same 10. So it's on you.
Yeah, everybody's being recorded.
Double six, somebody got stuck with double six. Remember I told you from the beginning of the game, somebody stuck with double six?
If you don't say recording,
Stuck like Chuck with double six.
You recording?
Yeah.
I love you guys.
Yeah, it ain't over. How it ain't over?
6, 8. No point.
Good.
I had the 5 hours.
I got 15. Wash this one. Wash the dishes.
Hi, Dad.
You ain't got it on, do you?
Yeah, it's nice.
You do?
Yeah.
We'll send you the tape.
God damn, I got Beaver's butt here.
Come on, man. You need to wash
Oh, I got that bonehead over there. Yo, let me see that forehead. Yo, I'm focused on the forehead. Let me see it. Let me see the forehead.
That double 6 was over there.
Was it?
Yeah.
No, yeah, that's right. Nobody got stuck with it.
Look at it. Oh, my God. Hey, what's up, bonehead?
He knows it all.
Oh my God.
I knows everybody.
Okay, I'm gonna go with
Gotcha.
I'm gonna go with a Nick. I took a Nick.
Damn, Beaver looks old.
What are you doing, man? Come on, man. You're not throwing a double. I don't have to throw a double.
Get it in, Beaver. I got you. Yeah, got it.
You can throw any bone you want.
Oh, I
Just
see.
like, if I had a 6-4, I could throw down a 6-4 and say I died. Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't mention that.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm
It's
sorry.
all news to me.
First double, first double that you lay. If you lay a double, that's the double that you're going to go off. Spin it. Spin it. I didn't lay the double. So, you know, the first double that lays down, that's the one you go off. So when you go off on white, got it. Double two. You lay the double two.
Reeboks. Watch this.
caught it, Sammy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good thing. That's a good time. That's a good time.
I don't like nobody knowing where I'm at.
Joe, what happened to the big campfire you never visited?
Nope. The tape is messed up. We need like a little screwdriver.
No, I don't have a tape on.
Folks, as you can see, there's a very intense game over here. Very intense game. Look at the concentration on that face, folks. Look at the concentration. There you go. There's another one.
What?
I didn't see that over here before.
Anything you have to say? All right.
Somebody said something on his pool table. Get over here and shoot.
3, 6, 8, 1. Your turn.
We can have some boys now, boy. Go, girl.
Let me see you shoot.
Go, girl. Go, girl.
I better stop.
Yeah, I know. You might crack something. You have to pay some more money from the MasterCard.
You got on the board. Everybody got a little house. You need a window for your house.
15.
How's that? That's
There it is, folks. Look at the face. Look at the face. See that? Ah, that's calmness.
See his face.
Here we go, let's go. You can't just go by what he said. I would just throw something out, say 15, I would say
Notice the angle of the ball, folks. And the ball is there, and he missed it. And he didn't strike. Okay, next. And here's Bensonhurst. Folks, there's a shot. And it looks like he's not going to scratch. He bounced the ball a little too hard off the side cushion rail. And Sammy comes back.
Shoot it hard right now.
I am sleepy. 1 o'clock.
These guys are gonna beat us, by the way. You see these 4 guys? They stay up later than we are.
See this guy here? This one right here? He takes his friends to that table over there. He takes their money away. There you go. I'm next. There you go, right back again.
Look at the stack of nickels.
Look at his nickels over there. That's what he does. Tomorrow you're gonna have the skis, the gloves, the goggles. It's right. See?
10 o'clock.
See what I told you? Listen to him. He's gonna have the skis, the goggles.
Well, we got some out here.
And you guys are gonna watch him coming down there and go, that's my money.
It's only 10:15.
It's different when we get stranded and when we go out and like the time goes so fast, right? And then next thing you know, we're home at 6 o'clock in the morning.
That's funny to
Give me
sleep
5.
out nowhere.
I take a nick.
There's loopers in that room over there.
Good little sickle.
And because he's tired.
I'm afraid for him.
How
He might eat me up or something. He might get that urge to eat, go. What are you doing? I told you, Sammy. I'm a violent person. I don't like nobody recording me. Nobody.
Calm yourself.
No, you're
Budweiser. Hey, this bud's for you.
The king of beer. That's not this bus. The king of beer.
Like it?
No light.
These are my buddies. This is Chico and this is Rico.
That's not my name.
Got the one eye open. Where's the mic? Where's the mic? That means it's recording.
Excuse me.
What are you doing?
Oh,
So yeah, you love these close-ups, man.
I don't know, man.
You get a little personal there, easy.
Record.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Like I said, Bugatti got a sad face.
That's crazy.
We were snowed in.
But most likely, we are
When we were snowed in, there was
Who won?
And what do you feel about the situation? What do you feel about the situation?
pathetic.
What do you mean by pathetic? Be realistic, please.
Well, you see it in the faces.
Oh my God. I can dig what you're saying, my brother. Now, I'm not gonna look at you. Hi.
Wait, I went?
I know.
What happened now?
This is the way it goes. I don't care. I don't want it either. Keep it over there.
Boy, that boy don't know how to shoot cool.
When we're playing this pocket, right? Last pocket, do you have to hit the 8-4?
My man right here seems to be having a lot of fun. He's chilling with a girl and having a good conversation. Look at his smile. You notice he's not blinking as much anymore. Look at him. He ain't blinked for the last 2 minutes. Look at him. I bet he's talking. Over here we got the Brady Bunch. We got Belta, we got Julia, we got Chulo, and we got Mulo right there. Yeah, they're having fun playing dominoes. Drinking their Budweiser, thinking it makes them Budweiser.
As you can see, we held out one whole night, folks. It's almost about 11 o'clock. We're still going strong. Dominoes are working on one end.
And what do you feel about the subject yourself?
Myself?
Yourself, sir.
Well, I really think that I happen to be the most important person I can think about.
You do dishes.
Excuse me, truthfully speaking, what made you wear that hat?
What made me wear this hat?
Yes, sir.
As you can see on the side, it says the Bronx, and I just want everyone to know. Doesn't it say the Bronx on the side?
That's why they don't treat us with respect in here.
You think that's it?
That's right, sir.
I was trying to figure it out.
You see, they didn't let us play our music.
I should have had a hat that said Patty. Maybe it would have been a different.
Yeah. Oh, Japan. Japan.
What was that?
Japan.
The fact that we were going wonton soup to them, that didn't help either, right?
Nah, not at all.
That helped, right? It was
Not
all like
at
this. That didn't help. It was a combination of all those factors.
Yeah.
And you gotta believe this person here said, leave no tip. No tip. Oh, just,
Yeah, I'll tip them. Give us better service next time.
Oh, yes.
He lost. As you can see, the game is over. Let's see the expression on his face. Impressive, ain't it?
I got to win.
Look, we've done spent like about 89 quarters on this game already.
What? Wait. Yeah.
Huh?
Pause it.
They're gonna beat Miami twice this year.
Fuck you.
They're gonna blow out Miami twice this year.
I can't stand it, Peggy. Everyone in this neighborhood is happy but me. Not fair. I'm supposed to be the happy one.
Yeah, he got it close.
He could care less.
Oh shit, look at that top I like pouring up.
Puma Science is good, though.
Yeah.
Jeff Hostel is
3
another
hours
good
counting down
one. They
brewskis
might
for
get
some
him
spot welder named Bluto.
Come on, man.
And tell them about Puma Science.
Fuck the tag.
attractive and interesting anymore. Did you really think that you were going to get through married life having sex and fun indefinitely?
What?
No, what you
doing?
Get yourself
No, he recorded that shit too.
and readjust the shower heads in the bathroom.
How about if I try this? Putting Tiffany's hair in a Vegemite.
I'm tired.
Slice, dice,
around her shaven head.
Oh my God, look at people laying down. You can still see his big belly.
Oh, no, 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 Mark. We must put in more hunger. We must buckle up for...
Oh, shit.
We must
Look at this thing is all shit. Yo, stand up. You want to have a belly contact?
That's a damn shame.
Excuse me.
Yo, you saw you?
Go and get
Young
dinner
fella
for
like that.
Oh, and if Tiffany comes back...
Folks, good morning. As you can see,
This is day 2.
this is one whole day.
2 of a live 3.
We're still held hostage up here.
Day 2.
Mr. Cruz, you want to explain the hostage situation? Cruz. By the way, if you notice, Mr. Cruz is not feeling well this morning.
You fell and hit the sink.
And it's German over there in the corner.
Cruz is gonna be sucking my...
Sam, you want to explain the hostage situation?
Huh?
You want to explain this hostage situation?
Hell, Moses. Hell.
This guy here is in the army. And he slept more than anybody.
Oh, man.
Fucking Joel slept all fucking night and morning.
Fucking dude. I don't know what's wrong with that over here. Somebody sound like they were fucking being choked to death. Take these marks. Don't do that, man, because if people see the tape.
Well, I certainly don't mean to diminish the severity of this storm, but why do we keep talking about record setting? Because certainly we've seen storms that produce...
Alright.
This is us in the morning. You want to see more? This is us in the morning.
Well, why do girls always scream? And it's true. They start screaming and hiding their faces. What do you guys got to hide?
Eyewitness news. Okay, we're leaving.
As you folks can see, these are the other 4 hostages. These are the other 4 hostages situation. It's a very panicky situation up here in the Catskills. Girls can't even show their faces from hiding the tears. It's been a very terrible situation. There's no makeup up here. No makeup. And I want to bring you over here. Let me show you.
Where's Israel?
This way.
Where's Israel?
And before you know it, it's we're successful now. And through a great deal of grant writing again.
Wait.
A lot of very good people who have supported the program. We now have a main...
Sammy, close the door right back in your face. I'll take it. You want to wait for him? Let's wait for him.
All right.
Boy, Lucho had a big smile this morning. Boy, Lucho can snore. Oh, my God.
I would have died. Thank God the flying on a little bit, I think.
No, the thing is, listen.
He just said he has 3 different levels of
You got
snoring.
3 special effects on it. It's amazing. I never saw nothing like it.
The funny part is that Sammy said he doesn't snore. It was like the Popeye with Bluto and Popeye was snoring. The feather going up in the air, you know the feather?
I could have told you, I could have warned you guys. I have that problem every night. I have to elbow him so he can try to like turn normal on his stomach. Turns over the...
Yo, sir, I put my finger in Lucho's mouth. In the morning when he was snoring.
You stopped him.
When you snore like
I think
that,
you made it worse. Then you
That's what I'm saying.
snoring.
That's what you call real good sleep.
oh, my arms hurt. How about you, Mr. Chest Pains, and I walk into the room and you body slamming somebody? I'm like, he's like, oh, baby. And I go and get him Tylenol, very concerned, you know. And
I was
water
good
and
until they came in. They started bothering me.
And all of a sudden I walk in the door, he's...
Next time we come
Hi,
in,
Mom.
it's that these guys won't let you sleep. Next time this happens, I'm gonna give them my own.
I heard them so late.
He said we couldn't let him sleep. How about you all night long with that story? Every time he took a breath in, we couldn't breathe. We went, there's no air left in the room.
When you used to come to the... did you sleep during the night?
What? I said, I'm not going to open it. Tried it again. Then I opened it. Let's try it again. I closed it. So, all right. She came outside and she said, don't close it, Mark. I slammed it shut. She said, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? She went crazy because the door was locked. She said, oh, my God, my makeup's in there. Then she opened the door and went in. Oh, stupid. Stupid. So why aren't you leaning on that cane while you film, man?
Staying on one side. What you said? Ooh.
Lean on the,
Go ahead, look. No, leave me God alone.
Let German go.
We're trying to order something to eat, and it's taking 3 hours.
And a container of milk, glass of milk, whatever they have.
Okay, now, come on.
Scrambled eggs with French fries. Right? Sausage and an orange juice.
Okay, this one.
Scrambled eggs. Make it with French fries. No, but you got French fries, I'll take that.
He wants French fries.
I want French fries.
You want the home fries?
I didn't know they had them. With sausage and ham, I'll take it.
Sausage and...
Yeah, and an OJ. Not a limo.
Next.
Next.
This is Joe up from Kentucky. He's gonna upset.
Next.
What happened? Just how it is in the movies. You got a camera.
They do. It's a big old mic. Yeah.
Next. What are you gonna order?
You got his?
Right here.
Me.
Right here, I got him on mic.
Eggs. Eggs. With French fries. Scrambled eggs. I want scrambled eggs. French fries.
A little louder.
Let me get bacon. And a hot chocolate. Can I get a hot chocolate?
Well, actually, I'll compliment you.
Is it?
So you
Okay.
can still another beverage that you
Oh, can I get a juice? OJ.
Okay. He ordered it. He's got the
Is it on? Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Is it on? Oh, man.
Now, one of these
I like
French
this.
fries, since we have home fries left, right?
No, I gotta order.
You ordered it.
Did you order? Because there was 2
Oh,
orders
cause,
the same thing. Did
okay.
you want an orange?
All right, I've done it already.
Huh? Did you want an orange?
That extra home
Yeah,
fries,
orange.
I'll take that.
Here for oranges.
Orange juice.
They're together. Okay, so they're together. So 2.
When it's ready.
When the food is ready? Little Gemma, do you want it for now?
They turn it off right here.
I don't even remember.
What do you mean?
It wasn't here. This was,
This is Hunter Mountain.
yeah.
This is Hunter Mountain.
This is not where we
We're,
live, though.
what?
But you say Jeanette, Jeanette.
So where did you go? Huh? What area? Was it like Hunter Mountain? Looked like Hunter Mountain? I mean, was it snow there?
No, where we went, they had horses.
Were horses in Hunter?
So it was
So you
more
have
like
to cut this.
No, where we went was the Peak Skills or something like that.
You told me you were going Hunter Mountain. This is live. This is live. They had horses, huh? You didn't come back with any more things. They have sheep. And I never did see that bus you were getting on. She told me to drop you off at some hotel, too.
Are you so silly?
I didn't drop you off at a hotel downtown?
A hotel, you dropped me off by the bus stop at 59th and Columbus Avenue.
And the hotel was around the corner.
Don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera.
Don't touch the camera. Don't
look at the mic.
You're getting a lot of trolls. Don't look at the mic.
Don't touch the mic.
Imagine working for Spike Lee.
Oh my God. Would you cut it out?
Don't touch the mic. Listen, hey, I paid you to record an argument. That's people laughing, huh?
You're on the mic.
That's it?
Yeah, I said
Well, right here. Yeah, I just heard someone had just got caught. Problem. Hey, Mike, hey, lift it up, please. Lift it up. Mike, lift it up.
Yeah, bro.
I know I got myself into this shit. I still like to see my thing with. Why me?
Cheers. Cheers.
Well, it's not what we expected. See, that's the slope. You see how thick it is? That's about at least 3 inches up there. It wouldn't allow us to be there today. And, well, you know, you gotta make the best of it. And we're trying to get back home so we can go back to work, get our pay, support our kids and our family, and get back to Kentucky, China, Nakachuchu, and all that stuff. And you know what I mean. You know, forget about life takes its course. And I got a tighter shop Monday night in my job, so anybody's welcome to see it. So I'm gonna kick my boss's ass because he really thinks it's big shit. And I'm gonna make a negative. How pretty it is over here.
Show him the tape, that's the proof.
No, after I kick his ass, then I'm gonna show him the fucking tape. Who's that? Oh. Who's that? Oh.
Oh shit.
No, I'm tired.
Sorry, bro, they froze. We got icicles off his eyes, bro.
Yeah, he's in the garage. You asked for some gloves, man.
Hello.
He's on him.
What?
You asked for some gloves.
No, for you. Put them on.
I got gloves.
Yeah, those are them.
I want to throw my hoodie, though. Be right back.
Oh, great engine. Started like a baby.
That's that antifreeze shit.
Yep.
Yo, tell people to heavy up.
Well, we're right back again here. As you see, Joel's getting his car tuned up, ready to go. Sammy's shoveling right over here. And Miguel's trying to call him a human bulldozer. And Beaver's here, of course.
Dying. Haven't worked this hard in years. And I'm not getting paid for it, or?
We're not even getting paid for it.
Yo, $50, right? Where'd he go? And I'm working the hardest. You got this on tape, right?
You got it.
Israel.
My man.
Joel's not even paying us for this.
And he's chilling.
Not even that, he's not even working. Look
Come here, let's use your nose.
What? I saw it all around this car and shit. Man,
Look at that booger. Take the booger.
It's still in the car. Lucho!
We just said you gotta be in the car to warm it up.
Oh, he's still in there. Dan, so you tell me how you think this is?
Oh.
About your waistline, huh?
Where's the beaver?
Can't fit. It's pretty big.
All right, Joel.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody has anything to say before we go off the air?
Yeah, I do.
All right, Miguel.
This is so
How the
dedicated.
fuck we get over here, goddamn? Whose idea was it?
Over there.
Yeah.
That's whose idea.
I got a song. Ready? Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my
I'm kinda
darling,
disgusted here.
look at Joey, he gotta see ya. Oh my darling.
And of
I
course,
mean, there's no place like home. I
Where's
wish I
Joe?
was back in Kansas.
I wish I was there with you right now, too. Not to be fighting and shit, but...
why in the world Beaver took the shovel back?
Because he wants to do his car. I told you he came over here to do his, so he could get his car done too. He over there trying to tell you that negative shit.
Excellent work.
Just a little engine tuning going on right now. I just want to fine tune everything as you see.
Got the fit to put it in?
Yeah. No, I don't need it. Just have to, how's that going?
Need some tuning. What happened?
Yeah, some fine tuning, you know? Fine tuning going on, as you can see. Well, folks, see what the snow looks like down here. We're at exit 16. It was much higher than this where we were. It was way up there, about this high. The oil is going in, Millie. Could you please settle down? Thank you. The girl's impatient. She's just an impatient person. We don't have to stop on the road.
Should have took a video of his dick. All the girls were on. I had to take a serious leak, man. I had too much beer in me. What the hell are you doing?
What we stop for?
What we stop for?
I had to give him water.
Oh, just tap me up there.
How many more I got left? Oh, that was a bit.
Let me take one of you.
Got 1-0. I already took one.
For the top of the mountain?
Yo, Sammy! Sammy! He's all right? All right. I thought we lost him.
There's how much snow we accumulated. Yo, that's three Savvy. Israel. Savvy in Israel.
Well, a trip wasted, but we had a nice time. We did. We had a nice time. Okay? All my intentions was to ski. You know, I come all the way from fucking Kentucky, and it fucking snows so hard that we can't fucking ski. It's fucked up, man. But I had a nice time with my friends. You know, I'm glad y'all were there. I mean, I wish Hector or Jose could have came to, you know, could have came with us, but they missed out. I told them, motherfuckers, they should have missed out. That's kind of fucked up. All the fellas just, next time we get all the fellas together, you know, we don't need the women in the house, you know, because we can't do what we want to do. And please, I know they're going to be looking at this video and say, no heartburn or anything. I hope you don't take this personal, but, you know, this is a man thing. God damn it. Shit. Men gotta go out too now. We have fun. All of us grew up together, you know. I know y'all women came in second, but we came first.
Alright, there you go.
That's it, man. That's it, man. No, I said that's it.